Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Prep World. As I mentioned to you in the last video that from these video onwards we are going to make grammar easy for you. So welcome back to the series Grammar Made Easy. In this video we are going to talk about pronouns and certain tips and tricks that are going to make pronouns easy for you and also super fun to learn. Now let's start with the basics. What are pronouns? Pronouns are those words that replace nouns. For example, in a sentence, instead of repeating the names again and again, we use certain pronouns to make the sentence smoother and less repetitive. For example, John is a teacher, John likes football, John also likes music. Instead of this, how we can write? John is a teacher, he loves football, he also likes music. Now, did you see? Instead of using the name again and again, we use the pronoun he. Now this is making the sentence smoother and less repetitive. To learn the pronouns, you have to remember a very basic and very simple trick, and that is your spider trick. Now here, as we will go from letter to letter. The first letter, S, suggests your subjective pronouns. Now subjective pronouns means the subject that is performing any action in your sentence. For example, I love ice cream. He goes to school. She dances really well. They are watching a movie. Here, I, he, she, they all are what? Subjective pronouns, as they are the subjects in your sentence. The second one, P, possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns means possession. It means that shows some sort of possession of any material. Now, for example, this book is mine. Is that phone yours? That house is theirs. Easy, right? It's very simple to remember what are possessive pronouns and how to spot them in a sentence. Now, many a times when you want to talk about something or someone, but you're not very specific or sure about what to talk about or whom to talk about, these are the pronouns that you refer to. Now, this is your third letter, I, that is known as indefinitive pronouns. Now, these are your third pronouns or the unclear pronouns, indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are used when you are stating any person or a place or a thing, but not specifically to whom or what about. For example, somebody left their bag here. Everything is ready for the party. Is anyone coming with us? Now, the next is your demonstrative pronouns. Whenever you want to point out something or you're specifically talking about something, these are the pronouns you refer to. For example, this is my favorite movie. That was an amazing concert. These are delicious cookies. Now, the tip to remember demonstrative pronouns is if you can point it out at right, those are your demonstrative pronouns. The next are your emphatic pronouns. Where you want to emphasize on something, these pronouns come into play. For example, I made this cake myself. She fixed the car herself. See how these pronouns stress on something and they emphasize on something. So whenever you want to put an emphasis in your sentence, make sure to use these kinds of pronouns. The next is your relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used as to chain or glue certain sentences. For example, this is the book that I was talking about. She's the girl who won the contest. I love movies which have a happy ending. The tip to remember relative pronouns are that they act like gluing words or they act like connectors in your sentence. Now see, just like that, with the help of the spider technique, you have mastered pronouns. Now make sure you watch all the videos that we will be posting in few days and also try to practice them on your own. So, let's make grammar easy for you. Like, share and subscribe to the videos and make sure to follow Prep World for more such content.